quiet naman po tayo po.
Anak, wag.
Reminders na lang po loud because we will scare the rat. They will have the tendency to scratch us. And if we scare, she is the mama goat, so currently she is pregnant.
Wow.
And then this, this is Papa goat.
Busog na.
Okay. So, ayan. After po na
Anak.
Milo.
Gawin kami yung dahon lang talaga yung kinakain. Rafa, napit mo sa kanya.
Rafa, look, anak. Smile.
Milo sa Rafa. Okay na, Milo.
Milo.
Thank you, Milo. Okay, thank you.
Kilingan.
It's you.
Oh, gutom.
Rebecca Rabbit.
Ano?
Rebecca Rabbit. So, Peppa Pig. Sobrang lambot po. Parang pinakulaan ng katanay. Pero pag short lang po siya pinakulaan, medyo para po siyang karne ng kambing.
Oh, same lasa niya. Ganun na lang.
Same lang din po naman. Hindi po siya yung gano'n lang. So, may proper handling po ng rabbit. Kailangan stress and they can scratch us. Okay? So, we have to keep them calm first. Then, like the cat. How do you finish a leaf in under a minute?
Ha?
You finished one leaf in like 10 seconds. Then cover the seed with soil.
Just one in a hole.
Oh, one lang ha. One by one. Rafa,
One
okay?
seed per hole.
And yan.
You can cover it later. After you put all the seeds in the hole.
Ayan. Tama natin. Masyado na pechay.
Pechay po.
Akin pala tsura ng pechay.
Yung pinakabuto po ng pechay is iba po yung kulay. Kumbaga po yung color blue po is treated lang po siya ng fungicides po. Kaya po ganyan.
Kaya ganyan.
Di po aamagin. Para po hindi po mabubulok yung buto.
So hindi na siya mamamatay.
Hindi siya mag-sprout, hindi siya mag-develop.
Hindi para tanim lang mo na yung treated na na seeds.
Each hole is could be overcrowded. Then there's a possibility that some plant or some pechay can thrive, then it will die if they're overcrowded. If you put many in a hole, so it is advisable that you should only one per hole.
Doon, malood siya. Ay, sige pa na. O, sira ka naman.
Here in vermiculture, when we say vermiculture, it is taking care of worms. So we take care of worms because they are very beneficial in the farm and to our crops or plants. So, kung makikita nyo, lahat po ng damo po natin sa paligid, yung mga grasses, yung mga twigs, kinukulers natin ng mga vegetable. So, kinakain nila. Ganito lang siya. Yung,
Pero pareho din sila tsura.
magkaiba po
Magkaiba
sila
ng kulay.
Yung Philippine po ay pero yung African po ay may dark side po siya.
Hindi siya nandidiri. Hindi siya.
So,
naman.
they are very friendly. So,
Rafa, iwan.
and they are
Ate,
very,
stop. Ate,
since
stop please.
ang kinakain lang
Siya harmful sa tao.
So, wala pong harm po sa kanila. So, lahat po ng chemicals po na nire-release po nila ay safe po at hindi po makaka-cause po na irritations, wala po. So, lahat po siya ay very organic style po. Pag when we say organic, carbons, more on makuha po natin at maibigay po sa halaman. For example po sa malunggay, we all know that malunggay is our national vegetable. Alam niyo po ba na ang malunggay?
Oh, there's so much
Oh, okay.
Oh, what is that?
Meron po
Those
siya.
don't look like honey.
Ito po yung propolis.
Babies.
Yan po yung propolis po.
Yeah.
Yan po yung nagpro-protect po sa ano po nila, sa brood. Okay lang. Agad po siya.